Information and communication technology is good for you. Information and communication technology is good for you. Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Nate, and today I'm going to be taking you through the ICT lesson review for week 1 to week 2. And I promise you that you would enjoy my lesson, and I'm going to remind you all of the things that your teacher taught you during your first week of resumption and your second week of resumption. This is to help you remember all the things that you have been learning, and we're going to be doing this every week. Okay, so every Saturday I would expect you to come to our YouTube page where we would regularly post the weekly report of your ICT lesson. But before we go further, I'd like you to quickly like and follow us on YouTube so that whenever we post videos, your parents will get notification immediately so that they will know that we have posted video. However, we're going to be posting these videos every week. So let's move ahead. This lesson is for those of us in grade 1, and like I told you already, we're looking at the lesson for week 1 and week 2, and the topic says Introduction to ICT. Introduction to ICT. And our reference book is from our ICT book by Nathaniel Adoy, and then we're looking at pages 5 to 7 of your textbook, your ICT textbook. So our lesson will be taken from page 1 to page 7. So let's go to our lesson. So what are the lesson objectives? Okay, what are we expected to know at the end of this class, or at the end of your week 1 and week 2 lessons? At the end of the lessons, pupils should be able to state the full meaning of ICT. You know, I sang a song just before I started the class. That is the full meaning of ICT. I'm going to sing the song again, but let's just go through the learning objective. The second learning objective is that we would learn about the importance of ICT. And then the last learning objective is that we will learn to identify the ICT devices. Okay, so the learning objective again, I'll take them all over. We should be able to state the full meaning of ICT. We should be able to mention or to state the importance of ICT, and then we will be able to identify some of the ICT devices. Okay, are we good? Can we move on? Yes! Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is ICT. What is ICT? ICT means information and communication technology. So let's sing this song together. Information and communication technology is good for you. Information and communication technology is good for you. Information and communication technology. Can you repeat after me? Information and communication technology. Yes, that is the full meaning of ICT. Now, ICT is important to children because ICT teaches children how to use communication devices like radio, television, cell phone, DVD, traffic lights, wristwatches, and calculator and other devices. It is through ICT, or it is through technology, that we have all of these devices that I have mentioned. Radio is an ICT device that is used for communication. We listen to music on our radio, we listen to documentaries on our radio, and our radio too, we can engage in some children programs. Television is also an ICT device that helps us to watch our different programs. We can watch different cartoons, we can watch different dramas, we can listen to news. ICT also helps children to develop their skills better in all other subjects so that they will make the most use of their adult life. Also, ICT is not possible without the computer system. ICT is not possible without the computer system. This is the computer system. So those are the major reasons why we learn ICT. Like I said before, ICT teaches children on how to use communication devices like radio, televisions, cell phones, DVD player, traffic light, wristwatches, and calculator. You know what a traffic light is, right? Okay, so what does yellow means? It means get ready, right? What does red means? It means stop, right? What does green mean? It means go, go, go. Yes, that's how the traffic light works, and that was possible because of technology, or that is possible because of technology. Now let's look at some of the pictures, or let's look at pictures of some of the ICT devices. Here you can see a cell phone. You can make calls, you can talk to your friends, your uncles, your mommy, your daddy when they are not around. This is a computer. Don't forget that I said ICT is not possible without the computer system. And then here we have the DVD and home, we have the TV and home theater. We have the computer, you can match this to where we have the computer. We have the calculator, you can match this to where we have the calculator. And then we have wristwatches, where we can match this to where we have wristwatches. Now that's not all. There's also another exercise here where you are meant to learn the words below. Information and communication technology is good for you. Information and communication technology is good for you. Can you sing the song with me? 1, 2, 3, go! Information and communication technology is good for you. Information and communication technology is good for you. See you next week.